Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve comprehension and project from unit number 1. The name of the unit is The World in a Wall. कंपोजिशन में हमारे पास ये दो चीज़ें हैं. एक में हमें ये कहा गया कि इमेजिन दैट यू वर प्रेजेंट इन द डाइनिंग रूम ड्यूरिंग द स्कॉर्पियन इंसिडेंट, राइट अ पैराग्राफ. और सेकंड वन में है पिक आउट द डिस्क्रिप्शंस एंड स्कॉर्पियंस फ्रॉम द स्टोरी, एड to that description and write a paragraph about scorpions, draw a picture to go with it. So look at a paragraph about scorpion. Scorpions are rachnid and have 8 legs like their cousins spiders, mites and ticks. They can quickly grab an insect with their pincers and wipe the poisonous tip of their tail forward and sting their prey. They use their poison to kill prey and to defend against predators. Scorpions look like small lobsters and may be the first animals to move from water to land hundreds of millions of years ago. They have been around since before the age of the dinosaurs. Fossils of scorpions from Scotland hundreds of millions of years ago showed that their appearance hasn't changed over time, but they are now half the size of their ancient ancestors. Only 30 or 40 species around the world have strong enough poison to kill a person. Each species has a special type of venom that works well against a chosen prey. Scorpions typically eat insects, but when food is scarce, they can slow their metabolism to as little as one third the typical rate for arthropods. This technique enables some species to use little oxygen and live only one insect per year. Such survival skills allow scorpions to live in some of the planet's toughest environments. They are interbred, they live in deserts and grasslands. They are carnivores and their lifespan is mostly about 5 years. Our project is making a presentation. Do some research about one or two of these dangerous animals. यहाँ पे हमारे पास ये एनिमल्स हैं, इनमें से हम एक पर भी कर सकते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन और एक से ज़्यादा पर भी कर सकते हैं. प्रिपेयर अ प्रेजेंटेशन कवरिंग द पॉइंट्स गिवन बिलो. जो भी प्रेजेंटेशन हम लोग करेंगे उसमें हमने एक बात का ध्यान रखना है कि जितने भी पॉइंट्स हमें दिए गए हैं ये सारे उसमें कवर होने चाहिए. तो हम हिपोपोटामस को ही लेते हैं. फर्स्ट हेड है हमारे प्रोजेक्ट का हिपोपोटामस. द हिप्पो इज़ द वर्ल्ड्स थर्ड लार्जेस्ट लैंड एनिमल आफ्टर द एलिफेंट एंड rhino. Hippos are found in the central and southern portion of the continent of Africa. They are herbivores and eat mostly grass. सेकेंड पॉइंट उसके साइज को कवर कर रहा है. हाउ बिग आर हिप्पोज. हिप्पोज आर रियली बिग. दे कैन ग्रो अप टू 10 feet लॉन्ग, 5 feet हाई एट द शोल्डर एंड वेट 7,000 pounds. Third point is what are their unique features? Many of the hippo's features enable them to spend a lot of time in the water. Their eyes, ears and nose are all at the top of their head. This works out well because it helps them to be almost totally submerged under the water, but at the same time they can listen and watch for predator. Next point is do they swim? You would think that hippos are great swimmers as they spend much of their time in the water. However, they don't really swim. Here is another point. Are they dangerous? Yes, hippos are one of the most dangerous animals in the world. They are responsible for more human deaths than any other large animal in Africa. Next point is, what is hippo baby called? A hippo baby is called a calf. Next point is, do hippos live in groups? Hippos often live in large groups of up to 40 hippos. Leading each group is a dominant male along with female hippos and their calves. Next point is, what do hippos do all day? Hippos spend the day in the water, keeping cool and resting. Last point is fun facts about the hippopotamus. It is the second heaviest land animal after the elephant. A group of hippos is usually called a blot, pod, or herd. Their sweat is thick and red, making it look like they are sweating blood. The word hippopotamus comes from a Greek word that means water horse.